Hi class, in this video I will be showing you how to invite me as your accountant to view your company file. This will allow me to log in to your company and grade all the assignments and making sure that all the transactions are correct as well as each account's ending balance. So in order to invite me as your accountant instructor to view your company file, you're going to click on, once you're in QuickBooks, you're going to click on this gear. It's like the settings button. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll over until you see manage users. You're going to click that. And you should see users one. One of those should be yourself. But you're going to click on this other tab to the right. It says accounting firms. You're going to click that and you're going to invite. I made up this example file or example company, and I'm going to be working on this along with you guys so that way I can better assist you. But I've already invited myself to view my example company. So, but you're going to click on this invite button and you're going to put in my name. Okay. And then you're going to type in my school email address. It's good. It says that for me because I've already invited myself, but this is what that screen for you will look like. And then you're going to click save. All right, so I'm just going to close out of that. And I will be sent an email, and I'm just going to pop this email up. Actually, let me go back to another one just so you can see what I get on my end. So this is Molly's. She has completed chapter 1 assignment and she invited me to view my company or her company, excuse me, and this is the email that I get. So that will allow me to, log into her company and grade it. So hopefully this video will help. I will be making more videos throughout the day showing you how to get started with the class, how to navigate through QuickBooks. Basically, chapter 1 is it's a long chapter, but it's an introduction to the class. It's a lot of reading. So take your time, highlight things, go through chapter 1 and read it, okay? And then the last thing that you're going to do is invite me to view your company file. So hopefully this video helps everyone. Shoot me an email if you have any questions and I will be happy to assist you.